Hello everyone, welcome back to watch the manufacturing process of excavators. In the previous episode, we saw steel plates being cut into various structural parts. But in industrial manufacturing, whether a part works and how long it lasts are two entirely different matters. If cutting determines the shape of parts, then mechanical machining decides whether the machine can operate stably for a long time. In the machining workshop, components are securely fixed onto processing platforms again. Equipment starts running with cutting tools moving along programmed paths to perform precision machining on key area. These process positions include shaft holes, joint surfaces, and mounting reference points. They may not stand out on the whole machine, yet they bear the core function of force transmission. In the structural design of construction machinery, all force transmission paths ultimately converge at these connection points. And tiny deviations here will lead to wear, loosening, and even structural faults under long-term high-intensity operation. That's why extremely strict standards are applied at this production stage. Measuring tools are used repeatedly, and every critical dimension is verified multiple times. Full dimensional reinspection is even required for certain key components. There is a universal consensus in the machinery manufacturing industry: precision is not a one-time result, but cumulative control throughout the entire production process. After mechanical machining is completed, these parts are ready for the next production stage. However, they still remain separate individual components, and the complete machine structure has not yet taken shape. The parts are now qualified for assembly, but they are still independent from one another. To combine them into an integrated whole, one crucial procedure is still needed: structural processing. Next episode, discover how welding gives the machine its final form with fully automatic robotic welding.